Morning students. Now today we are going to learn chapter number 3, data handling. In last period we have learned the same chapter, right? As well as we have discussed about all like range, mean, mode, median, right? So what do you mean of range? The difference between highest and lowest, right? Now mean means average, the sum of observation upon total number of observation. It's a formula by which we get what? Mean. Now we are going to learn about the mode and median. See, what do you mean of mode? See, whatever number of the observation we have, out of them, whichever are occurs more number of times is known as what? Mode. In another word, we can say the observation that occurs most often, right, is known as what? Mode. Example. Suppose we have some example, some observation like 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 7, 8, 3. So are the 13 different observations. Suppose 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 7, 8, 3. Now let's arrange in any order, ascending, either descending. So in ascending, suppose 1, 2, then after what is 3, after it 4, then after 5, 7, right, then after 8, 9. So other numbers, right? But see here, 1, 2, sorry, 3, again 3, 3 is again 3, then after 4, so 4, after it 5, after 5, 6 is not here, so what? 7, after 7, 8, 9, right? So are the some observations. See in ascending order. See in it, if we observe 3 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. How many times? 4 times. So we can say the mode of the given observation is 4. What is the mode? 4. Got it? So all of you understood about the mode? Sure? Good. Now then after mode of large data. So for that what we have to do? Prepare a frequency distribution table and find the mode. Understood? About it we'll learn afterwards. Now then after mode, what is the another topic we are going to learn? Median. Now what do you mean of it? See, if the data has odd number of observation, then the median is middle observation. See in it, how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 times. So which is the middle? Right? Is the what? Median of the given observation. As well as maybe the even number. Odd, show middle number is a median. But if we have a even observation, then what to do? Yeah, what is our mean? So at that time, observation, even number of observation, then the median is the mean of two middle observation. Understood? Then how many? Two middle observation is the what? Our median. Got it? Sure? Good. Okay, let's try. go for the exercise 3.2 very first. See the example of first example of the exercise 3.2. The scores in mathematics test out of 25. Out of how many? 25 of 15 students as follows. Example number 1, exercise 3.2. The scores in mathematics test out of 25, right? Out of 25. Of how many students? 15 students. How many? 15 students are as follows: 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20 are some different observation. What we have to find? Find mode and median of these data. So first of all, what to do to find out mode? We have to arrange in which order? Ascending order. In which order? Ascending order. See out of them which is the smallest. I think so. One digit only. There is one digit number 5, right? So can we start with 5? Then after 9, after 9, 10, after 10, 12, after 12, 15, 16, 19, then after 20 is how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. After 20, 23. After 23, 24. And after 24, 25. How many? 1 and 2. How many times? 2 times. Once again, we'll count observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, how many students? 15 students. So, 15 numbers, right? So, like this way, we have to arrange it. Now, see, out of them, which is the occur more? What is 20? 20 is occurs the maximum times. How many times? 4 times, right? So we can say the mode of the given data is 20. Understood? Sure? Good. Now what we are going to find out next? Median. What we have to find out? Median. See, our number of observation is how many times? Odd times. Odd number of observation, right? Odd number observations. So which point we have to keep in mind over here? Which is in middle. So if suppose 15 observation, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it is on the other side 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is remain in the middle? 20. So 8 is a middle observation, right? So we can say 20 is a median of from the given observation. So all of you understood how to find out mode and median? Sure? Very good. Now let's go for the second example. The runs